If your trash compactor is making a loud noise during operation, here are the top 4 most probable causes. The lubricated trunnion nuts allow the trash compactor ram to move up and down smoothly and quietly. If one or both of the nuts are dry or stripped, the compactor will become noisy. You can add lubrication to a dry trunnion nut, but a stripped nut will need to be replaced with a new one. A loose or worn-out drive gear can result in a loud noise as well. You can often solve the problem by tightening the mounting nut or set screw, but if the teeth on the drive gear are worn, you should install a new gear. A loose drive chain can also make the compactor noisy. If the chain is too worn out to be tightened, a new chain should be installed. Although it's not a common problem, the bearings inside the drive motor will wear out over time, which can result in noisy operation. You should confirm that the other components are in good condition first, before replacing the motor. All of the parts shown in this video are available on our website. Be sure to enter the full model number of your product to find the specific replacement part that will fix your trash compactor.